Limited stock alert. Don't miss out on this rare find. Introducing our 2006 Nissan UD90, available in both insulated and closed body options. 8-ton capacity. Insulated or closed body. Replaced cluster was 300,000 kilometers. Turbo engine, 12-valve. Neat interior. Solid engine and gearbox. Good running tires. Papers in order. Sold with Roadworthy Certificate. Location, Benoni. Email, champion.lacquerspro@gmail.com. Contact, 0814729337 or 0659807098. Whether you need insulation for temperature-sensitive goods or a closed body for added security, this Nissan UD90 is ready for the job. Act fast to secure this reliable truck with all paperwork in order.